A nice way to add a personal touch to your gift giving is with some handmade tags. In this video, I'll show you how I used Canva to create these super simple, more traditional looking gift tags. Start by going to canva.com, click Create a Design, and select Custom Dimensions. I'm using inches, 8.5 inches wide by 11 inches tall. Now we're going to select Elements and type in Shapes. In here, there is this upside down sort of tab shape, and if we just turn that around 180 degrees, it resembles a traditional gift tag. I'll resize that and move it to the top center of my page. This circle will make a great eyelet for the top center of my tag. I changed the color, resized it, and positioned it at the top. Now I select the whole thing, copy it, and paste it so that there are 3 tags across the top of my page. I'll change the colors. And now I'm ready to add some other imagery. I'll start by looking for a snowflake. This one's great. Once I've resized it and positioned it in the center of my tag, I can simply select each of the colors and change them to white so that the snowflake itself is all white and offering a great contrast against that red tag. Now I'm going to look for some holiday imagery. Ooh, this wreath is lovely. I notice it does not contrast at all with this tag, but that is solved simply enough. Copy the tag and resize it to be a little bit smaller and center it on the tag. I'll change the color of the smaller one to be white. Move that one step to the back so that the eyelet is showing. I need to adjust the size ever so slightly so that it fits the way I want. And then I can move this wreath. And when I select the outer tag, that green layer, I notice that Canva is suggesting the color that actually appears in the wreath. It's a fantastic feature about Canva. For this blue tag, I'm looking for a hand-drawn gift, something simple like this one. And again, I'm changing the color to white, and it's as simple as that. This is what my whole sheet looks like. I'll copy all 3. And paste them twice so that I have 9 tags on my sheet. One is fun, but more is better. Check the description box below for links to all these videos, as well as a link to download this free PDF. Thanks for watching, and happy making!